Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Display section. Now select Brightness Level. Click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness feature and wait. As you can see, after that, Auto Brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same No Blue switcher. But you can also go into Tab menu instead and select this Auto Brightness shortcut to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!